Hello everyone, bonjour et bienvenue. Good day and welcome to Learning Arcade where learning is fun. In this video, we are going to talk about plural of nouns, le pluriel des noms. Now, we are going to see how to change the number of the noun. That is, we are going to see how we change the noun from singular noun to plural noun. Okay. First of all, most nouns as in English are made plural by just adding a S to the singular noun. For example, we have le, un, bonbon, les or des, bonbon, that is candy. La, une, glace, les, des, glace, ice cream. L apostrophe, un, les or des, man. In this, you please note the article, that is le or un changes to les or des, and the noun changes to plural by addition of s in these cases. Nouns ending with s, x or z in their singular form do not change in the plural. For example, le, un, fils, les or des, fils, sun. La, une, quoi, les, des, quoi, that is cross. Le, un, né, les or des, né, nose. So you see over here, ending with S, X and Z, in the plural also it remains the same, but the articles will change. They'll change to the plural form, whether it is la or la. Nouns ending with EAU or EU normally take a X in the plural. For example, we have le or un gâteau, that is becomes les or des gâteaux, that is cake. La or une feu becomes les or des feu, fire. L'eau, les eaux, water. See here, EAU, EU. It becomes X in the plural. But you have two exceptions. One is le or un, new, that is, it becomes les or des, new. This is tire. Next, le or un, livre bleu, becomes les or des, livre bleu. It is blue book. Now over here you will notice it is a book and this is a color. And you will see the color also changes into plural. About this, we'll be talking in the subsequent videos. Certain nouns ending with OU take a X in the plural. For example, you have le, un, bijou, which becomes les or des bijoux, which means a jewel. Le or un, genou, becomes les or des genoux, that is knee. Now, some nouns ending with OU take S in the plural. For example, you have le or un, cou, which becomes les or des cou, which is neck. Le or un, clou, which becomes les or des clou, which is nail. Most nouns ending with AL take AUX in the plural. For example, you have le or un, journal, which is les or des journaux, which means newspaper. Le or un, cheval, which is les or des chevaux, that is horse. But you have some exceptions. For example, le or un ball gets les or des ball. Now this is ball. You see over here it doesn't take AUX in the plural, but it takes a S in the plural. For example, now next, le or carnival becomes le or de carnival. Le or chacal becomes le or de chacal. This is carnival and this is jackal. Le or recital becomes le or de recital. That is recital. Le or ceremonial becomes le or de ceremonial. That is ceremony. Next, some French words are always plural. For example, les ciseaux, that is scissors. Les gens, that is people. Les lunettes, glasses. So you see, in this case, there's no singular. This particular noun is always in plural. And some nouns are singular, but they refer to a group of people. For example, we have le public, that is audience. La foule, that is crowd. La famille, family. Now, there are some irregular plurals. Let's see that. Un, I, des, you, that is eyes. La, il, les, aïeux, that is ancestors. So we saw over here how the nouns are converted from the singular to the plural. The rules are to be followed, and we also saw some irregular plurals and the words which are always in plural. Some we saw which are singular but refer to the plural nouns. So that's all for this video. Au revoir et à bientôt. That is goodbye and see you soon.